the chief guest of this program, Mr. Najmul Hassan MP and President of Bangladesh Association of Pharmaceutical Industries, Director General of Drug Administration, and the Visiting Director General from Pharmaceutical, my colleagues here, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. We welcome all the guests from many different countries who has come here and made this event glorious and made us proud co-organizer of this particular event. I take this opportunity to also congratulate and thank Mr. Paresh for continuously doing this particular event for our Pharmaceutical Association. And this has been increasing in its importance and visibility among the pharmaceutical industries in Bangladesh. This is benefiting us in a great way because we can see many different exhibitors, both from our neighboring countries and also from other European and American continents coming here and participating in this particular event. We hope that our industry would benefit from this and will continue to grow and grow. We are in a very difficult time for the industry at this moment. We had to face 2 years of COVID situation, and then there is also an international crisis in supply chain because of the war that is going on. The Dhaka has been devalued by almost like 24%. Many commodities, machineries, transportation costs, everything has gone up. But the industry, Bangladesh pharmaceutical industry, consciously, in association with the government, did not, and at certain areas could not, increase the prices that is actually required for the industry to move forward. So we are actually going through a period of serious constraint. We hope that like the citizens of Bangladesh, people of Bangladesh, government of Bangladesh, and all of us that was resilient in many different occasions, will also overcome this situation. We believe that the situation has started improving slowly. The inflation is coming down slowly. Many different indicators like transportation and energy cost is stabilizing, and we hope that the situation will improve. And together with the government and industry officials and all the employees of our industry will face this and will win over it. At this moment, we have a tremendous task in front of us. Since many of you are involved in this particular business, in decision making, I think several information I would like to share with you so that you can be with the industry and help the industry to cope up with this particular difficult situation. Like, we have to increase the productivity, we have to increase the collaboration with our foreign partners, we have to increase export from Bangladesh so that the difficulties in foreign currency availability that is here at this moment, we can actually help our country by increasing more and more exports so that we can actually take care of our own foreign currency. We have been hoping that we'd be able to, the pharma sector would be a net foreign currency saver. That means we will be importing whatever foreign currency we'll be using for import, we'll be able to export more. That situation is still far away, but with the starting of API industry and with increased formulation export, I think this situation is not too far away. We can see closures of many pharmaceutical industries in Europe and in USA. During the last 2 weeks, we have seen the news of shutting down of multiple manufacturing facilities in USA. And by the second and third quarter and fourth quarter of 2023, I think we are going to hear the news of the shutting down of the biggest manufacturing plants in USA. So these are happening just to reduce the cost of generic drugs in USA. While this is happening in the Western world, it will certainly open up opportunities for us in the emerging world. So I would urge our fellow industries to take advantage of this and try to increase their export as much as possible, not only in regulated market, but also in emerging markets. Hopefully, by second or third quarter of this year, we are likely to see surges of export from Bangladesh in many different countries. And with API just starting to happen in Bangladesh, and also biosimilars and vaccines, and also many formulations getting approvals in the regulated markets, we are likely to see new wave of export from Bangladesh. So our partners who are suppliers for API, machineries, packaging materials, who are all here, would urge all of you to support us by not increasing the burden of increased price, but make it easier for us so that things are available in Bangladesh at easier terms so that we can increase actually your business. So let us hope that the difficult times are already in the behind and we are going to see newer things in future. Here, I can see many different dignitaries and decision makers coming from many different countries, especially from Pharmaceutical. The Director General, Mr. Ravi, is here. It is a good news that he's willing to support our industry so that we can actually build up API industry in Bangladesh. And I would also urge our Director General of Drug Administration, who is the decision maker in a very crucial stage, to help the industry so that it can actually fight and weather with the difficult times that we are currently facing. You have seen that in difficult times, Mr. Nadmul Hassan has made his personal initiative to take the industry forward in difficult times, solving many problems. So I don't have to say much about this, but together with everyone, I think we can pass this difficult time with ease, and the new time that we are going to come in future from the next year, I hope the profitability for the industry will come back. The industry will continue to increase its exports. The industry will develop, and not only develop in a normal pace, but pharma industry will become a major contributing factor to the economy of Bangladesh, and hopefully Bangladesh, the way it is growing, will become a fully developed country by 2041. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.